How to make $100 per day just collecting emails and promoting digital offers. Steal my 3-step system to make your first affiliate commission in less than 24 hours. First, join my Facebook group below for more money-making tips and strategies. Digital lifestyle. A little about my mentor, Gaurav Bora. Hey guys, Gaurav Bora here. I don't want to waste a lot of your time telling you about who I am and what I do. Here is a very short intro of mine. I am a 27-year-old guy from India, a full-time internet marketer. I have sold over $3 million worth of products online. As an affiliate and vendor, I am an expert in list building, email marketing, product creation, funnel creation, product launches. I also like to do a bit of CPA, Facebook marketing, YouTube in my free time. I have also coached numerous people to making full-time income online. The simple strategy to make $100 per day or $3,000 per month collecting emails and promoting digital products. This PDF report is going to be very short, sweet, and to the point. First, I'll explain you the strategy and then I will show you exactly how to get started step by step. I make over $10,000 per month just promoting affiliate offers to my email list. All I need to do is get up in the morning, write few emails, schedule them, and that's it. If you want to get these kind of results, you need to read this report, implement it, commit to it, live it, and you'll succeed. Let's do the math first. Most peer resource systems makes it complicated and scary by throwing big numbers, but let me make this really simple. In order to make $100 per day, way number 1, make 10 sales of a $10 product that gives 100% commissions, warriorplus.com. Way number 2, make 25 CPA conversions that pays $4 each. Conversion 25x $4 equals $100. That is get leads / registrations / free members for a company. No need to sell anything. Easiest way to get started. My number 1 recommendation, Uma CPA program. Other recommended marketplaces are maxbounty.com and peerfly.com. The idea is to build your own email list while making CPA or affiliate commissions in the back end. With your own email list, you can promote to them whenever you want, anytime you want, get traffic in the future even if you're not running any paid campaigns. Here's my entire business in one simple image below. I have an email list of over 40,000 people now, and it's one of my biggest asset online. Step 1, build a squeeze page, opt-in form. Below is an example of a squeeze page and opt-in page used by my mentor's wife to collect leads. Once they opt in, she sends them to a thank you page where they get their promised download, and also, she recommend them to a CPA offer. Every free member she refers, she makes $2 or $4 or $6 or sometimes even $10 depending upon the CPA offer she is promoting. For every 200 visitors she gets to the page, she gets around 100 sign-ups and 30 CPA conversions, making her $120, 17x. $4 equals join my number 1 CPA recommendation unit. They pay $4 per CPA conversion. If she buys her traffic from a traffic source that costs her $0.35/click, she just made $120, $70 equals $50 in profits. I will also show you a free traffic strategy later in this ebook. Smile. Most newbie marketers will leave it at that, but not us. I want you to be pro marketers and makes the most of your leads and build a long-term business. Step 2, follow up with your leads through a high converting email series. Then she sends them email follow-ups for next 3-4 days. Remember, she has now 100 people on her email list. During the next 3-4 days, she is able to get most of her subscribers to see the offer again, and she makes another 25 CPA conversions. I'm not making this up. I do this every day and these are my numbers. So, she just made another $100 in commissions, which means she is at $100 plus $50 equals $150 profits for every $70 spent on traffic. Keep doing it every day for next 30 days. You make $4,500 in pure profits. Amazing, right? There is more. Smile. We use email autoresponders such as Burr or GetResponse for sending automated emails. You write them once and they are sent to everyone who signs up automatically without having to touch it again. Smile. Step 3, the magic begins and autopilot commissions. See the image above for email number 4. That's when she starts promoting a different affiliate offer for the next 6-7 days. And once that's over, she sends her subscribers another follow-up emails promoting a different affiliate of CPA offer. And many times in between, just send them relationship building emails, free YouTube videos, good content. And imagine what happens after 30 days. With the same 100 leads we collected, we promoted them a CPA offer making $150 in profits, and then we promote them with 3 different affiliate offer for the rest of the month. And usually we end up making 10-15 affiliate sales that pays us $20 on average commissions. That would make another $200, $300 in affiliate commissions. So for the first month, for just 200 visitors, $70 ad spend, we generated 100 leads and $350, $450 in commissions, pure profits. And we keep doing it for month 2, month 3, month 4, and so on and on and on. So grab how to get started from here on. Don't worry, I am not going to leave you hanging here. These days, we use Joomla CPA offer as our first offer to promote. I absolutely love it and recommend it to everyone. Join my #1 CPA recommendation Joomla. They pay $4 per CPA conversion. Getting started. Step 1. Sign up for free. Joomla Evolve CPA program. They pay $4 for every free member you send them for top tier countries like US, UK, CA, AUS, and Z, Ireland. Not only that, you get paid $2 for all the other free members, except India, Nigeria, Niger, Pakistan, Vietnam, Venezuela, Zambia, and Zimbabwe. Make sure you sign up and confirm your free account right away because it's going to be the focal point of our strategy. Do it right away. It takes just 2 minutes of your time. Sign up and confirm your free Joomla account here. Here's how it will look. Follow all the 5 steps below. Next, check your inbox for a confirmation email from Joomla. Open it and click on Activate My Account. That's it. Once you have activated your account, log in and claim your free custom setup. It's very important because it gives you the ability to make money on whenever you refer someone to Joomla Evolve program. You get up to $4 in commission per membership lead with Joomla CPA affiliate program and up to $30 per VIP referral. And up to $20 tier 2 VIP referral, which means if you refer someone and that person refers someone else, you still get paid for that referral. Cool, right? Yeah. It totally depends on how much money you can make and how much you want to scale it. There are people making $500 per month and some even making $10,000 per month. Getting started. Step 2. Setting up your machine for easy CPA commissions. Watch this full step-by-step video on how to upgrade to Joomla VIP Elite member. Joomla will need you to sign up for a GetResponse account and get hosting so they can complete your free setup, but you will still need to provide them with your GetResponse and hosting details to set up everything. Grab. Do I really need the GetResponse autoresponder account? Exclamation mark. You're here to build a business and an email list is the most important asset, so you don't just want to send your members directly to them, but collect their email addresses and your email autoresponder first in the process. This way you can contact them later and promote different affiliate offers from W+ Joomla that pays you instant commissions on any sale, or maybe find other CPA offers that pay you per lead. Your email list is your asset. Don't neglect this. The great thing about Joomla program is you don't need to create your landing pages, set up your domain, hosting, connect your autoresponder, etc. Instead, they do it for you on their behalf when you claim your free custom setup, and they are pretty quick to set up everything. But before that, make sure you create your GetResponse account here and get the $15/m package that allows you to store 1,000 emails. If you already have a GetResponse paid account, great, you don't need to get it again. If not, then get one. But grab, why not the free GetResponse account? The reason is, free account don't have API integration that you'll need to connect with Joomla Squeeze pages, so every time someone opt into any of your Joomla Squeeze page, you get that lead directly inside your GetResponse account. Fair enough. Also, $15/m is a very low investment that you can cover with just 4 free leads, haha. And you'll be able to build a list of over 3,000 people with my strategy if you follow what I say exactly. So, go here and create your GetResponse account now. Get the $15/m package and you're good to go. Grab. What about the hosting? While claiming your free custom setup, they ask you to create a Yahoo hosting account. Just say as they say to set up your hosting. Also, you receive a free domain and $100 advertising credit that you use to promote Joomla CPA offer, so make sure you get the hosting with them. How to get 63% off on hosting with my strategy. Select the advanced business plan because you need this to get approved by Joomla. Next, they will ask to select a domain name. I just tell my students to select a domain name as namedigitalifestyle.com. Next, select the 1-year hosting plan and check private. People can see your name and host. 1 month hosting is around $12 per month equals $144 per year, but when you select 1 year, you get it for just $70.68. That is more than 50% off. Click continue and use coupon special to get an additional $16 discount. So you pay just $53 for a year hosting instead of $144 and save tons of money. Cool, right? Smile. Step 3. You just need to fill up a form and send them details. And they will set up everything for you, usually in 24 hours, sometimes takes 72 hours for all the changes that kick off. Make sure you enter my affiliate ID while filling the form. Once they approve you, log into your affiliate account here. And that's it. You'll have your system ready to kick in and make some profits now. Let's get some traffic to it and I'll break it down for you how exactly you can make easy CPA commissions without selling anything and copy my results. Are you excited? Let's move on. Getting started. Step 3. Get traffic tier. CPA offers free Facebook traffic for newbies. Here's any of the post I made on my Facebook wall below, where I shared a screenshot of my recent ClickBank income and asked them to PM me for more details. Over 100 people pinged me on Facebook about how I am doing. And I think over 60 of them signed up. Tip: if you don't want people to PM you, just leave your link there, but don't use a clickable because will decrease your reach if you use a clickable link. Instead, say something like this dash. Want to know how you can do the same? So if you do a similar thing and get 50 people to sign up for your CPA offer, how much money you could make? Even if just 30 of them sign up for your CPA offer, you still make 30 by 4 equals $120 from a single post. And you do it once or twice every week, that's an easy $500 per month for just making few posts, plus you build a highly targeted email lists that you can leverage to make even more money. Paid traffic: this is how the big players do it. This is what you need to solve if you want to scale it to $3K/M or $5K/M or $10K/M, and this is what I like to do. Another big marketers like to do. This strategy works for any CPA offer, not just Joomla. Disclaimer: all the numbers below are what I'm seeing with my campaigns at the moment. They could be different for others, depending on the landing page and traffic source you use. This is a long-term method. We're here to build a long-term business, build a responsive email list, and learn a method that you can apply to promote any product, not just Joomla. However, Joomla will provide a great platform to build your email list while getting paid. Leverage that. So here's how to do it for long-term. Build a free report or checklist, create a opt-on page. Send them the thank you page. Send them Joomla sign-up page. They become free member and you get paid. Follow up with them through emails, get them to upgrade to receive more commissions. Remember what I taught you about list building and CPA offers earlier? It's the same strategy. Smile. Let's look at some numbers and strategy below. Goal: our goal is to get leads to our list for $1. Doesn't matter the traffic source, be it Facebook ads, solo ads, PPC, PPV, anything. Say you're able to generate 100 leads each day. 100 leads equals $100, 40 of them converted to a CPA offer. When you follow up through emails to them, this Joomla, they pay $4 per tier 1 country sign up, and Crypto Moneymaker CPA offer, pay $6 per sign up from Max Bounty converted pretty well for me. You make 40x $4 equals $160 for each $100 spent, not counting the upgrades you'll get, which are extra money. Which means you're in profits of $60 and 100 new leads for every $100 spent. So if you just spend $200 every day to get 200 new leads to your email list, you make a profit of over $120. In 30 days, you'll make a profit of over $3,600 and an email list of 3,000 people. And with those 3,000 new subscribers, you can easily make an easy $500 $2,000/M for months to come with decent email marketing skills promoting various other internet marketing related products. Important note: quality of traffic is more important than quantity. If you get 500 free members who unsubscribe, don't upgrade to VIP membership. Don't open emails, then they might keep you on hold. So make sure to create a report like mine. Encourage them to upgrade. Build a good relationship with your subscribers, which will help you in the long term. Because when they trust you, they will buy from you again and again. What about traffic? Don't worry, I am not going to leave you high and dry. Solo ads, fastest and easiest to get started with traffic. Create a free account on Udemy. It's a place you'll find thousands of solo ad vendors who are willing to sell traffic for a decent price. You don't want to buy traffic from just anyone, but only from the sellers who are proven to provide good results. First, find sellers that are willing to sell clicks for 35C, 65C per click and have at least 40% sales. Not sure how they got this number, but keep it 40% for quality. Now, open their profile by click on their name, and you need to find this. Green equals % of people reported sales. Red equals % of people did not reported sales. You need find one with a higher green % than red %. Higher the better. Let's take an average of 50C per click from different vendors. Here are the some numbers we are looking at. 50C per click equals 250 clicks for $125. Expect 40% conversion rates in most cases equals 100 leads. 100 leads is all you need to make 65 conversions. If that CPA offer is paying you $4 per sign up, at least, and $260 in returns. In this case, you make a profit of $260. $125 equals $135 per day. Keep doing it for 30 days. You make 30x $135 equals $4,050 and 3,000 leads. Cool, right? Facebook ads worked pretty well for me while promoting Joomla. I used to run ads to tier 2 countries where the traffic is cheap, with less competition, and I still get paid $2 each lead from Joomla. I'm getting Facebook leads for as low as 30C, plus Facebook is one of the highest quality leads. So it's the same calculations again. 100 leads for $50, 40 free. Joomla members equals $80. $30 profits for every $50 spent. $120 profits for every $200 spent daily, and 400 new leads, which is $3,600/M profits and 12,000 leads in 30 days. Note, these were my numbers. Your numbers may vary depending upon your efforts. This has tons of potential. It all depends on you if you're willing to take action and make it a reality. Smile. What to do next? These are just two of the traffic sources. In the same way you can use Google AdWords, Bing Ads, YouTube Ads, PPV, Ads, cheap traffic platform. Goal is to get leads for $1.50 and you will keep making those profits. If you have a blog, add this as a pop-up, exit pop-up, slider. Below your blog posts anywhere you want and make those extra CPA commissions for every free Joomla member you refer. Join Joomla CPA program here if you haven't already. This is the easiest CPA program ever. Join my Facebook group here. Feel free to ask questions you have there. There's absolutely no limit what you can do with this offer. All you need to do is take actions right away. All the best. From Robin Singh Pal and my mentor, Gaurav Bora. Join Joomla CPA program here if you haven't already. This is the easiest CPA program ever. See link in description.